Hey, welcome back to another video of eTics. In this video, we are going to learn how to contact support in Character AI. To contact support in Character AI, follow these steps. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Character AI. And make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, scroll down to the bottom. After that, on the bottom right corner, you'll see a small What icon. From there, you can click on Support button. This will open a form or provide a way to reach the support team. Before reaching out to support, you can also check the FAQ or help articles from here, which may already have answered to common questions. If you want to personalize help, click on Help and search for a question here. You can also submit a ticket. Click on this and fill out the form with your issues, including any relevant information. Make sure to provide a clear and concise explanation to help the support team assist you effectively. After filling out the form, submit it and wait for a response from the Character AI support team. You may receive an email or in-platform response addressing your issue. If you don't find an immediate solution, their support team should get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.